Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I gotta be reviewing Jeffree Star Cosmetics Alien Eyeshadow Palette, and this baby retails for 52 US dollars. It's currently out of stock on Jeffree Star Cosmetics and also on Morphe's website. I'm pretty much amazed how it looks. So the packaging is really stunning. As you can see, it has a shape of an alien face. And what I like about this palette is that the color theory with this palette is quite unique, which is something like this. And we have not seen such colors, according to me. I have never seen any palette having such sort of color theory into that. These are mostly cool tones, but they're pretty much suitable to all skin tones. So this palette has 7 shimmer eyeshadows and 11 matte shades. So I've already swatched a couple of shades from this palette, and so far I'm kind of pretty much impressed. Let's hope it performs really well onto our eyes as well. So if you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell down there so that whenever I upload, you guys won't miss it out. So without further ado, let's jump onto the tutorial. So for eyeshadow primer, I'm using MAC paint pot in laying low, and I have taken a small amount of product onto this kind of a concealer brush, and I'm going to quickly prime my eyelids. Right, so I have primed my lids, and then I'm gonna let it sit for a minute or so before we dive into the eyeshadow. Alright, so first shade I'm gonna be taking this green tone called Flying Saucer, and I'm gonna take it on a bullet crease brush. I'm gonna start packing it into my crease. I hope you can see that it is a little bit patchy here. So I'm gonna try and switch different brush. So this is Morphe M506. Again, I'm diving into the shade called Flying Saucer. Okay, so far I'm not impressed with this shade called Flying Saucer. It's taking quite some time and quite a good amount of product to actually build up. Okay, so the next shade I'm taking is called Abduction, and I'm gonna use my Sigma E35, and I hope that this color kind of shows up. I'm gonna load quite a good amount of product because Flying Saucer actually flew away my crease and start blending. Oh, okay, so this definitely has a small amount of kickback. As you can see, we have blended Flying Saucer and Abduction together, so it's a nice kind of a gradient so far, but I have taken quite some time to reach to this level of pigmentation and at this level of blending. I'm not kind of impressed, I'm not kind of mad as well, because I'm going to take a Ghost OG on my Sigma E36. I'm gonna try to kind of deepening up my crease. As you can see, I find it a little bit patchy. I don't know whether it's my primer or what, but today, honey, it's taking quite some time to build the eyeshadow. Here I was thinking to do kind of a cut crease moment, but I think I'm going to just do a spotlight eye and try to make it work. The Ghost OG has a lot of kickback, and I'm not at all happy about it at this point of time. I'm trying to save my eye look, which I'm not quite liking it. I'm gonna try it again using a sticky base, maybe a concealer or something. I'm gonna give this palette another shot with another eye look, but so far it's not working with my MAC paint pot. Next, I'm going to be taking the Stilla Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade called Cloud. And I'm going to place it onto the spotlight area where there is no eyeshadow. You can see this looks sickening. I'm gonna let it dry for a couple of minutes because I have hooded eyes and I know that I experience a lot of transfer whenever I kind of look, and I'm going to come back once this is completely dry to kind of blend a little bit more around the edges where we have placed this liquid eyeshadow. So next off, I'm gonna do my foundation, and for that I'm using my Marc Jacobs Remarkable foundation, and this is in the shade Honey Deep. I'm gonna take it onto a kabuki brush and start buffing it on my face. I'm again going to be taking the shade called Ghost Fog, and I'm gonna blend this harsh edges which is around the liquid eyeshadow. So next I'm going to be taking the shade Area 51, and I'm going to place it on my lower lash line to finish my eye look, and I hope it's going to look a little dope. Oh yes girl. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to take Martian Soil, and this is a kind of a mustardy yellow shade similar to what he has it into in Androgyny. And I'm going to take my Sigma L04 and I'm gonna blend the purple we have put so far. Next, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Master Skinny Gel Eyeliner, and I'm going to run it on my lower lash line. So this is the finished eye look so far, and I think that it has come out literally dope. I'll do some minor detailing off camera. I'm gonna apply my mascara, put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look, and I have put a little bit of UFO into the inner corner of my eyes. So coming on to the palette, I feel the matte eyeshadows in this palette are a little bit hard to work with. Rest of the other shades blended quite perfectly. So far I don't have any other complaints regarding this palette. That was it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what other palettes you want to see me reviewing here on this channel, and I see you guys next time.